So on top of all I'd like to have a nice cup of hot cocoa. Would you fellas care to join me? No? What would you rather do instead? Go outside and play? No? I can understand that. What do you think? Why do you keep doing it like that? You're gonna have plenty of time now. Just a little sweet like that.
All right, kids, my little bucket of families. Time to feast yourself. Hello, Twinkle Toes. I got a plan, and you're not in it. You can't catch me, Diesel. Losing your sparkle, huh? It's the perfect time. Now, where's that lost inch? You won't belong here. You're not clever enough this tough, me. Oh, yes, I am. No, you're not. That's right, it's sugar, Diesel. And if I throw this in your tank, it'll seize you up for good. Wait the moon for tonight. Because you won't fight tomorrow. I know that. That's why I'm kidding you now.
Mr. Conductor, but what happened to your sparkle?
I don't know, Thomas. I'll just have to sleep on that.
On your sparkle?
No, Thomas. Probably what happened to him.
Oh, but Mr. Conductor, without your sparkle, or the lost engine, you can't travel here to help us anymore.
I'm sorry, Tom. You just go to sleep now.
What did you say?